Today we will see how to cut an avocado, for which we need a nice green avocado. Just keep it on your chopping board, take a knife and just slit through without cutting the seed. Actually it is quite difficult to cut through the seed since it's quite hard. After you have slit it all over like this, just hold it in your hands and give it a twist. There it is. Beautiful looking avocado. Now you have to remove the seed. So that's it. The seed is out and the avocado is all set. Don't remove it out of the skin right now. You just need to peel it whenever that you want to put it in the salad. So with the help of a knife, you just have to peel it like this. It's quite a buttery fruit, but it turns black the minute you cut it. So as far as possible, cut this while you have to toss your salad. An avocado like this, which is quite firm, is best had in salads. After you've discarded the skin, just keep the avocado like this on your chopping board and take a knife and just slice it through. So this is how you get slices of avocado. Put them in your salad. So after you have sliced them, you just need to sprinkle some lemon juice over it so that it doesn't go black. That's it. This is simple avocado, best had in salads.